Hi, I'm Hala, founder of Dietapplements, your pure supplement brand. Lovely people, especially my warrior women out there. My family is 40-something and up, juggling a million things and still showing up for your health. This one is for you. Why do nutrition geeks ask you not to use vegetable oils? We're mad about olive oil, right? Vegetable oils have sneaked into our kitchens pretending to be healthy and light, obviously light compared to something like butter, but they are actually low-key trash. Here you go, I've said it, trash. Those sneaky bottles of sunflower, canola, soybean, corn oil, they might sound harmless. They even say heart healthy on the label. Do not fall for deceptive marketing. Let's break down why they are bad. Number one, they are not made from vegetables, love. When was the last time you squeezed oil out of soybean? These oils are ultra processed. Someone processed the hell out of them. They are chemically extracted with heat, with solvents, with things like hexane, that's a chemical found in glue. Second, they are inflammatory. These oils are packed with omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't evil. We need small amounts, but our modern diet is drowning in omega-6. Too much omega-6 throws the body out of balance and causes chronic inflammation. And inflammation is a root cause of nearly everything we're trying to avoid. Joint pain, heart disease, weight gain, brain fog, you name it, love. Inflammation has got its sticky fingers in it. 3. They go rancid very fast, too quickly. Most vegetable oils are already rancid before they hit the shelves. Or you can do this experiment for me, please. Leave the oil near the hub and it will start to smell. That's oxidation. When these oils oxidize, especially when you cook them with high temperature, they form toxic components, actual toxins. Not woo-woo toxins, science-backed toxins. They mess with your cells, with your hormones, your skin. So, which vegetable oils should we avoid? Here is the do not date list. Sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, safflower oil, soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, cottonseed oil. If they come cheap and in a giant plastic bottle, run. Now you might be asking me, how do I cook then? What to sprinkle on salads? Here is the glow up gang. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Your heart is best friend. Full of antioxidants, perfect for salads. You can drizzle it, you can use it on low heat cooking. It's perfect. Number 2, avocado oil. High smoke point, great for roasting. Think potatoes, love. 3, coconut oil. The keto queen, fabulous for baking. And this one is not exactly oil, but butter. Good old real butter. If it's grass-fed, if it's organic, even better. Your grandma was right. Now what? Read the labels. Those sneaky bad oils hide in salad dressings, in mayo, in mustard, even olives. The olives themselves, they come soaked in sunflower oils. Why do you think? Because sunflower oil is cheaper than olive oil. Remember, every little swap you make is a vote for your health. You're not just feeding your tummy, you're feeding your energy, your brain, your hormones, your mood, your children. And to all the mums out there, you're doing an amazing job. Taking care of yourself is not being selfish. It is the most loving thing you can do for your family. And one last thing, do not forget to take our Apple Cider Vinegar capsules before your meal. That is for weight loss and gut health. The link will be in the description. Apple Cider Vinegar capsules will reduce insulin spikes by almost 30%. I'll add a link from the National Library of Medicine in the description for your own research. Now, if this video helped you in any way, please hit the subscribe button and let's clear up our kitchens, one oil bottle at a time. Thank you.